Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Connect Supersonic Swirl building set. So here's what it looks like. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like an amusement ride and comes with a motor. These motors aren't that fast. I already put the batteries in it. It came with a little guy to go on the rides. It only comes with one. So yeah, and there's a box full of pieces. And yeah, I'm going to be building it now. Okay guys, so I finally finished building it. Here it is. It's actually bigger than I thought, honestly. So here's that guy right there with his hands up in the air. Just zoom in on that. There he is. So yeah, I'm going to be turning it on for the first time after it's been finished. 3, 2, 1. There it is. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, as you guys can see, it goes like all the way up, down, back up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Wait, they're going backwards. I was supposed to know that. Okay, there we go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And as you can also probably tell, wait, oh my god, it's not going backwards, it's just that I put them on wrong. Wait, let me just put them in the right order. Over here, there we go. And yeah, as you can see, they're supposed to look like ducks, so that's pretty cool. Let me just show you guys that. It's like a duck. Sadly, it only comes with one of these little minifigures, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, you can run it backwards or forwards, and yeah, this thing is actually a bit better than I thought, to be honest. Like, it goes like up and down, up and back down. It's like a real amusement park ride. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, wait, first, do I recommend this? Yes, this is very cool. It does take quite a while to build, but at the end it's worth it, you know. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun to just look at, leave it on your desk or whatever. It's pretty cool. Look at that. It's like a real amusement park ride. And it looks really cool when it's on and stuff. So yeah, I recommend this if you like building things. And comment down below any other reviews you guys want me to do or anything, or any other videos that you guys want me to do. Comment down below any suggestions that you want. Subscribe for more content like this, like if you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.